Hello, good morning, students. Again, we will continue with the same lesson, chapter number 2, First World War and Russian Revolution. Till last lesson, we saw that there are different fill in the blanks with the options given in your workbook. So, again, I'll just repeat some of them. In your lesson number 2, on third page, you will see the third option. Which treaty sowed the seeds of the First World War? Okay, there are three options: Versailles Treaty between France and Britain, and third is Frankfurt. The correct answer is Frankfurt. I have ticked the answer. I have written it here also on the right side of your page. Then fourth one is also there: Treaty between Germany and Hungary. It is not the correct option. It is a yes treaty which was signed earlier before the First World War, Frankfurt Treaty, because of which the First World War took place. Okay. Then, who advocated aggressive nationalism and imperialism prior to the First World War? Who was that person who did this work? ये कौन थे जो खास करके एडवोकेट कर रहे थे, जो एग्रेसिव नेशनलिज्म और इंपीरियलिज्म के आइडिया है, जो खास करके फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर से रिलेटेड है? इट इज जर्मन एम्परर Kaiser William. Write down the correct option number B. German Emperor Kaiser William II. Then moving further in question number 5. In which policy did German Emperor Kaiser William II believe? कौन सी पॉलिसी पर उनको विश्वास था? तो it is world leadership. Option number 2. One is war is welfare, second is world leadership, third is only the mighty deserves to live, and fourth is war alone is the national need. So out of these four, answer number B is correct. That is world leadership. Then coming to the question number 6. Which treaty was signed at the end of the First World War? कौन सी treaty sign की गई थी? It is Treaty of Versailles. That is option number A is your correct answer. Treaty of Versailles. Then in the last question, the Russian Revolution of 1917. Okay, the Russian Revolution of 1917 AD was known as which revolution? कौन से revolution से इसे जाना जाता था? That is the fourth option, Socialist Bolshevik Revolution. Bolshevik was the name of the particular group of the people who were in the socialistic group, and therefore it was called as a Socialist Bolshevik Revolution. It is also called as the Russian Revolution, which took place in the year 1917 Anno Domini. Okay, now all of you see your part B, section B. I'll repeat the answer again here. In your section B, the first question is, how was Treaty of Versailles unjust for Germany? Okay, Versailles की treaty जर्मनी के लिए unjust कैसे साबित हुई? So you can begin your answer like this. The Treaty of Versailles was found, लिखो सब लोग, the Treaty of Versailles was found unjust for Germany because point number 1 लिखो, Germany was found responsible for the First World War. Responsible for the First World War. देखा point number 1. Then point number 2. A war fine of 6.5 billion pound. A war fine of 6.5 billion pound was imposed was imposed on Germany. Imposed on Germany. Okay. Point number 3. It had to give away. It had to give away the Ruhr land to France. Ruhr. It had to give away the Ruhr land. Ruhr. Write the correct spelling, all of you. Ruhr land to France. Ruhr land to France. Fourth number point लिखो सब लोग. Its Rhine River. Its Rhine River had to be opened. Had to be opened for international sea route. Its Rhine River, Rhine, Rhine River had to be opened for international sea route. The next, the Rhineland, point number 5. The Rhineland region, the Rhineland region on French border was disallowed from being fortress, being being fortress, 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 as well as this mineral rich region, this mineral rich region was given away to France for 15 years, for 15 years, 15 years, not 50. Sixth, most of the German organizations were, fastly go, most of the German organizations were confiscated. रोक लगाना, confiscated, CONFISCATED, confiscated. देखा. अब पॉइंट नंबर 7 में जाइए सब लोग. Alsace, ALSACE, देखा. Alsace. Now see the next page, all of you. Here you can see on the beginning of your first that page, Alsace and Lorraine, Lorraine, Lorraine were returned to France. Were returned, RETURNED, returned to France. Okay. Point number 8. Besides this, comma, Germany was to give coal and iron. चेंज करके लिख रहा हूं मैं, coal and iron to France and coal and iron to France and other allied nations, and other allied मतलब neighboring nations, allied nations in a large quantity, in a large quantity. You can write as it is given in the verb book also. जो सामने है वैसा भी लिख सकते हो. Okay, in a large quantity. Now question number 2, give reasons. Of which question? First, League of Nations established after First World War. League of Nations was लिख देना वहाँ पे, was established after First World War. Why was it established? Point number 1, शुरुआत ऐसे कर सकते हो. The League of Nations was established after First World War because करके लिखो सब लोग आगे. Because फिर point number 1, the horrors of the World War, the horrors, HORRORS, horrors of the World War explained the absolute necessity of the World War, explained the absolute, ABSOLUTE, absolute necessity of world peace, to the nations of the world, to the world peace, to the nations of the world. Point number 2, and for this, comma, a need for an international organization, and for this, comma, a need for an international organization, was felt, full stop. Point number 3, so it became necessary to think, actively, and immediately, and IMMEDIATELY, immediately, about world peace, full stop. Point number 4, the American president Woodrow Wilson, वुड्रो का W कैपिटल, विल्सन का W कैपिटल लिखो. वुड्रो विल्सन, WOODROW, वुड्रो, WILSON, विल्सन, had contributed substantially, SUBSTANTIALLY, in the establishment, of the League of Nations, Chalo, next point number 5, the 14 points suggested by the 14 points suggested by Woodrow Wilson were presented during the single inverted commas में डालो ये Paris peace process, Paris PARIS, Paris PEACE, peace process, PROCESS, inverted comma complete करो. On 10th January, comma 1920, full stop. और last point लिखो 6th, thus, comma, the League of Nations was formed. Full stop. चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में जाओ सब लोग. The Treaty of Frankfurt was the root cause of the First World War. Why? क्वेश्चन देखा. चलो उसका पहला आंसर, पहला पॉइंट, The Frankfurt Treaty, यहाँ पर इधर, the Frankfurt Treaty was signed between Germany and France. Was signed between Germany and France. Point number 2. Germany had defeated France in the Sedan War. Germany had defeated France in the Sedan, Sedan, Sedan War, because of which France had to sign the France had to sign the France had to sign the Frankfurt Treaty, F-R-A-N-K-F-U-R-T, Frankfurt Treaty in 1871. In 1871. Next, third point. According to this, France had to pay war fine as well as give away two of its provinces, that is Alsace and Lorraine to Germany. Alsace and Lorraine to जर्मनी. तो ये दो डिस्ट्रिक्ट जो है वो जर्मनी को सौंपने पड़े. ओके, द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट नंबर 4. France had not been able to overcome this humiliation. This humiliation. Humiliation. Humiliation मतलब इंसान पर किया हुआ अन्याय, वो सहन नहीं कर पाए. Fifth number point. Thus, Treaty of Frankfurt was the root cause of the First World War. चलो उस पेज पे लास्ट क्वेश्चन है. फोर्थ नंबर. Why was the self confidence of women in Europe enhanced after the First World War? Answer. The self-confidence of women in Europe enhanced after the First World War because पूरा सेंटेंस क्वेश्चन में, the self-confidence of women in Europe enhanced after the First World War because, point number 1, during the war, since majority of the men of all nations were on the war front, women, women या women, shouldered the responsibility, shoulder, ed लगाना है, shouldered द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, कंधे पर जिम्मेदारी लेना, शोल्डर्ड द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द फैमिली, एंड ऑक्यूपेशन, एंड ऑक्यूपेशन, एंड ऑक्यूपेशन, फुल स्टॉप. पॉइंट नंबर 2, they stepped out, they stepped, stepped, they stepped out of their homes, stepped out of their homes, stepped out of their homes and successfully took over and successfully took over the responsibility, took over the responsibility in the different professional fields, took over the responsibility in the different professional fields, in the different professional fields. Finished? Then third number. Thus, the self-confidence of women, thus, comma, the self-confidence of women, WOMEN, in Europe, in Europe, enhanced after the First World War, enhanced after the First World War. ये जो लास्ट पॉइंट है, अगर आपने स्टार्टिंग में लिखा है तो एंड में मत लिखना, और स्टार्टिंग में नहीं लिखा है तो एंड में लिखना है. नाउ चेक ऑन नेक्स्ट पेज. This is the last page of your lesson. After completing the fourth answer, now move all of you in the fifth answer. 22nd January 1905 is known as Bloody Sunday for Russia. रशिया के लिए 1905 में 22nd जनवरी को जो हुआ था उसे ब्लडी संडे क्यों कहा जाता है? Why? What was the reason? Okay, write down the point number 1. Under the point number 1, under the leadership of, under the leadership of Father Gapon, of Father Gapon, 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 comma, a large rally was taken out to the Tsar's residence, CZAR apostrophe S, Tsar's residence, comma, Winter Palace. Name of the residence is, उनके घर का नाम क्या था? Winter Palace. Winter Palace. कैपिटल डालना है W, विंटर का W, पैलेस का P. On 22nd January 1905. वही सेम तारीख लिखो ऊपर जो क्वेश्चन में दिया है. On 22nd January 1905, Sunday. Full stop. Point number 2. These people were unarmed. These people were unarmed. UNARMED. Not having the weapons. Okay? उनके पास लड़ाई के लिए कोई भी weapons नहीं थे. Comma. While some have Tsar's picture in hand, with captions like, पिक्चर के नीचे कुछ लिखा हुआ था जिसको कैप्शंस कहते हैं. like single inverted commas में डालो long live, long L-I-V-E, long live, comma the little white lord of Russia, long live the little white lord of Russia. Inverted commas complete करो. Written on it, written on it. Point number 3, the Tsar's army opened fire. The Tsar's army opened fire on these innocent people. Opened fire on these innocent people. Because of which thousands of innocent people died. Because of which thousands of innocent people died in the snow, in Petersburg, in the snow in Petersburg, 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 comma, where the Tsar's palace was situated, where the Tsar's palace was situated, comma, turned red with blood, turned red with blood, full stop, turned red with blood, full stop. And the last point, therefore, comma, this day is known as Bloody Sunday in Russia. Therefore, this day is known as Bloody Sunday in Russia. And now there are two small definitions. Explain the following terms. 1. What do you mean by imperialism? चलो फटाफट लिखो. The policy of stronger nations. The policy of stronger nations ruling over the weaker nations. Ruling over the weaker, W-E-A-K-E-R, kamzor nations पर, weaker nations, and establishing their colonies, and establishing their colonies. This is called imperialism. This is called imperialism. And the last question of your lesson, what do you mean by black hand? क्या था ये black hand? क्या था? लिखो. The Serbian terrorist organization, the Serbian, S-E-R-B-I-A-N, Serbian terrorist organization which assassinated the prince of, which assassinated, A-S-S-A-S-I-N-A-T-E-D, assassinated the prince of Austria, the prince of Austria and his wife, and killed both of them, in attack is called as black hand, okay. Now in the next period we will study about the question answers of your next lesson, that is civics. All of you complete your workbook in time and try to study the question answers and by heart them for your exams.